planting flowers and fruits at Home Depot. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Do you love flowers and fruits? Then you've come to the right place. Today I'm at Home Depot and they have a huge selection of flowers and fruits that you can plant right now. Let's go. On this side over here, they have flowers and bulbs and beautiful colors, dahlias and other flowers here that you can plant right now. You can see the color of the flowers, very beautiful colors. So if you love to plant flowers, you love flowers, they have these, most of the flower bulbs and the flower roots over here. These ones, you just follow the instructions that they have in the back of the package. You can see the instructions in the back of the package. Just follow the instructions. Usually it requires you just selecting your location and then dig a hole and bury the roots or the bulbs, and you start getting flowers in no time. So they have a good selection of those two over here. Depending on the variety and the type of flower you're looking for, you might be able to get them now. Same with other plants. I'm gonna show you guys later on. So same thing, you might be able to get these same flowers. You might be able to get the flowers online. You might be able to get the flowers at different locations. It just depends on what you want to do. If you want to go into the store or you want to buy it online, you might be able to get the same thing online and just pick it up in the store or have them ship it to you. So down here they have elephant ear plant over here, and you can see they have some big elephant ears over there. So they have some more over here, more variety. These are perennial over here. Perennials are plants that you plant them once and they come back year after year. So these particular flowers over here right now, when you plant them now, you get this flower producing for years to come, which is also very good and economical. That way you don't have to buy them every year. But usually the annuals that we just saw and some of the annuals we're gonna see, they are really good. The advantage with annuals is that sometimes they are much brighter and much colorful, and you might get a different selection from them that you don't get in terms of the perennials. So you have a mixture of flowers over here. It's a mixture of this flower sets over here. So if you want to make a good selection of different colors like purple, red, pink and stuff, they have a selection that you can just choose one and just or mix it with other ones to be able to plant in your garden bed. Same with this over here. They have different beautiful colors, different variety of them, and different sizes too. So they have a good selection here at Home Depot. Let me know in the comments below if you plant flowers, if you plant annuals or perennials, flowers, or if you mostly plant but vegetables. Let me know in the comments below. I mostly plant the vegetables. I have a few flowers. I planted a few flowers recently, but most of what I grow is vegetables that I can eat and fruits that I can eat. So here they have some cool summer colors, and same thing. They have similar type of flowers that we saw earlier. They have different sizes. This one is $10.98 for 3 of them in the pack, and they have more of the same thing over here, but these ones are 6 in the pack, and they have different colors and different types of flowers. So they are all looking awesome. And these ones over here are annuals right here. All the ones that we just seen right now, the annuals over here. So the annuals, like I said, annuals, you have to plant them every year. So you have to buy them and plant them every year, or you can harvest the seeds and then save them and use them the next year. So over here they have fruits, trees, and vines. You can see they have grapes and blueberries. On top here they have blueberries. Down here they have figs and blueberries. And over here they have the same thing. They have figs, and down here you have raspberries. And these are all vines that you can plant, and they'll harvest them year after year. Same with the blueberry collections that they have over here. These ones, they have a collection of different blueberries that you can plant, and you get blueberries for years to come. Same with blackberries and other stuff. So I planted some blueberries and blackberries a couple of years ago, and they are still coming along great. I think the ones that we harvested last year was just the grapes, but all the other ones, the grapes are still coming along great. Over here we have more grapes. This is a different variety of grapes over here. You have the green grapes down here. You can see some of them already started producing. They have instructions down there in the back, and some of them already started producing leaves and little branches and vines on them. So these are the red grapes down here. So these are the red grapes over here, and they're all vines that you can grow, and they come year after year. So one like this one is already producing leaves, and will just continue growing and producing more vines. So over here we have more flowers. This one's a different variety by Vigoro. So these ones are different variety of flowers and bulbs that you might be able to get over here. They have different colors. I like the colors of these ones over here, especially the one on the right, and even this over here. They have some nice, beautiful colors that you might not find with others. So let's look at the colors on these ones. These ones are really, really bright. You can see the instructions, the planting guide, and everything is provided for you to just all you have to do is just follow the instructions and plant it. And they have different types of flowers and bulbs that you can plant. This one is the only I've seen this only at Home Depot. I haven't seen this in any of the other stores like Lowe's or Walmart. I've always seen this at Home Depot, so you might not be able to get these anywhere else. So you might be able to get them only at Home Depot. But let me know in the comments below if you've seen this somewhere else. But yeah, looks like it's a new company that's producing different variety of flower packets. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you're not following me yet, follow me for more videos like this, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.